Okay, you guys, so we are walking in right now and so excited. I will say so far the process has been really seamless. I know a lot of people lately have been saying that the booking process has been like, it's just been like crazy over the last couple weeks for the Meraviglia. So far, we have not experienced that. From the time that we got to the terminal to here, it's really been a smooth process. So we are walking in right now. Let me show you some scenery. Okay, you guys, so we are in here, walking right on in, walking right on in. Hey, how's it going? Thank you.
Hello,
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, best tube in the world.
Oh, absolutely.
We have a lot of humans. We are waiting all of you.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay. All right, y'all. So we are on here, and hold on. I'm gonna just show you the scenery. Hold on for just a second. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh no, I am good. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to the ball.
Hi, how are you? All right, so far, first impression. Look at that, y'all. That is so awesome. I don't even know where to start. Hold on. There's just so much to look at right now. Welcome aboard. I'll tell you one thing, it definitely doesn't feel like a cruise ship, that's for sure. That display is so cool. But we're gonna go ahead and try to find our rooms right quick, and then we'll be right back with you. Hey y'all, what is going on? So it's been quite some time, you know, being that this is our first time on this particular cruise, we just kind of had to take a little minute to get settled in and really just get our bearings right quick. But anyway, so as y'all see, I'm here, I'm in the hallway, I'm walking down, and you know, as you know, there is no Rilla. Where is he at? Where is he at, right? Well, we're gonna go ahead and check him out and see if he'll go ahead and give us a room tour right quick. So let's see what he's about. You know who.
If you see CeCe, you see Rilla. Welcome to 8125, ladies and gentlemen. Step right into my humble abode for the next 4 days. Give them a whole little ensemble right now. Just pan it, you know what I'm saying? It's real playeristic. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I might have to say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, whichever one sounds better for you guys. I think all three do. But you know, this got me in my little Barry White tone right now. You know, I'm feeling real sensual and real sexual. Hopefully I got an interruption here soon. But yeah, as you can see, you know what I'm saying, look at the lights coming down on the bed. So when you making sweet music, you know what I'm saying? Oh, and look at these towels though. Check them towels out. This is luxury. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just hold it like this. It's gonna be my cat for the rest of the. You know what I'm saying? Be quiet. Don't be recording right now. So yeah, we got my chinchilla towel made of real chinchilla from Peru. Let me go ahead and show y'all what's going on. Come on real quick, you know what I'm saying? You can cut the light on for me. Thank you, sweetie. Let me sit on my royal phone.
Don't sit on the toilet. Open.
Whatever, guys. This is my channel. This is real life.
I'm just saying, your shirt gonna be in the toilet and pipe get wet? That long ass shirt.
It's not. Don't worry. So as you can see, guys, as you can see, I'm sitting back. It's enough for you to, you know, if you want them people to get butt naked and take a number 2, you know, it's enough for you to chill. You can play on your phone. You can do a couple of things. You know, your hands is enough for you to do a lot. As you can see, you got the big mirror. You can see, you know, mirror on the wall. Who's the freshest of them all? I figured it was me. Sorry, guys. And yeah, man, as you can see, man, this is about 10 notches up on Carnival. Carnival, get your shit together, okay? I don't know if you got, I haven't really even been out the room, but I already feel like I'm at the Trump Tower. I mean, look at this. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. All right. Let's walk in. Luxury for CeCe. This is great. And acoustics, you could record I might have to record my next album on a cruise ship, yeah. Hold on that Msc. Be quiet. I'm sorry. Hold on. Let me pet you a little bit. Excuse me. Okay. Wonderful bathroom. I give that a 10 out of 10, guys. That's oh wow. That's luxury right there. You see the light came on without, you know, ease. You ain't got to jam your finger all up in there. You just press it and it just cuts on. Marvelous. What is? Look how great this looks. I mean, the cosmetics of this room is just absurdly phenomenal. Look at this. Cordy already got her swag ready. You know, she came in. You ain't put your Adidas in here yet.
No, not yet.
It's enough. It's more than enough. It's nice. It's deep in here. Go back. You see what I'm saying? Go back here. And yeah, let me see. What else we got in here? Look at that. The other side. Got you. You know what we do for this, right, CeCeRilla? You know what we do for this, vocals? When the light hit the eyes, what it do?
Yeah, twinkle
and glisten. So anything that twinkle and glisten, listen, you're going to have a good space for it and a good place for it. Clothes. You got more than enough. We got drawers, man. Look at that. Underwears. Look at, you get to see what kind of underwear I wear. Look at them. Fresh out the pack. Some Hanes. I think Hanes. I don't, you know, I ain't like y'all they be wearing them designer drawers. You see what I'm saying? I'm hanged out. You feel me? I got to step my game up for you. You know, hey, if y'all, you know, for all the fellas out there, what's a player of draws, you know, that a player should wear? I'm thinking maybe jockey when his body get on point. I'm thinking, because they going to jock me, I got to wear jockey. Sorry. Yeah. Now, this is my favorite part of the room. You see what I'm saying? You know, you just sit back. They got ESPN on here too, fellas. Oh my freaking French toast. ESPN and ESPN2. So guess what? If you're the type of guy that don't like to go out, be all walk around the cruise shit, you can go get you some good food. Come down here. It's the NBA season. It's the NFL season. The games are on. You can watch the game. While your dame go do what she do, you can do you. Look at this space. Just space upon space upon space, people. I mean, well needed if you have a big family, so you got kids. This can pull out into a futon.
You mean a sofa bed?
Whatever. Futon, sofa bed, you know. Be quiet. Anyway, you know. Yeah. And I forgot what's the refrigerator right here?
Mm-hmm. You just open it at the top.
Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. I forgot that. I'm so used to living in the urban neighborhoods where things don't open as well as you think. Okay. Right. Okay. Got you, Mr. Smith. Look at that. I'm about to tear this up.
Now, this is an extra charge, though.
So don't drink none of this. Leave it in there, guys, because this is probably going to be $5-10 right here. Just these two alone. You get these at the bar for about $1 back home. Don't drink none of this. Don't do it. Don't do it to your credit card. Okay? Room service. You see that? Scan that right there. They're gonna bring it right to ya. 24 hours a day. And you know, of course, I got my CMOS. 90 minerals in here that the human body needs on a daily basis. Make sure when you're on your cruise, if you're a real player, keep your health.
And can I just say something about that right quick?
Yes.
Okay, so real quick, most cruise lines, you see that there's a refrigerator, but I know y'all like, okay, well, you got a refrigerator. Why do you got it in some ice? Well, most of those refrigerators, they are just like mini bars, so they're really not going to keep your CMOS or your medicines, cold like how it would at home if you was to have them in a refrigerator. So anytime that we are traveling with our CMOS on a cruise, or again, if you need medicines that need to stay cold, just ask them for a bucket of ice and have them, do that, because if you are using CMOS, it's gonna need to stay cold. So
wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Anyway, back to the regularly scheduled program. Proceed.
One time again. All right, now, I like to smoke cigars, so it's definitely gonna happen on this cruise. I'm gonna sit out on this player ass deck. Bring a black, white, Hispanic, or that Native American, whatever you are. Bring your butt on.
Top, honey. The top latch.
Again, I'm from a place where things aren't like this, okay? Yeah. So excuse me. But bring your cell phone, please. Now look at this, man. It don't get no clearer than this. It don't get no clearer than this. What Cass did he say? It don't get no better. It don't get no better. Oh, I love. Cause you remind me of the first time on Msc. Oh, Msc. Yeah. And I know you're getting bored watching those sweet YouTube shows. I know you won't miss this. Loving.
But hold on, let me tell y'all. Let me just really look how big this balcony is, though.
Man, look, you can do Key and Peele, you can do Mike Peele.
Key and Peele, what is it?
You can do everything on this balcony. You can do Taibo, Taekwondo, Do Re Mi Fa Sol La Ti Do, whatever you want to do. You can do it. You want to exercise outside? Picture an exercise session on this deck.
Yeah,
in
man.
the morning.
It's cute.
That's player. Smoke a good cigar. Eat you a nice breakfast.
Yeah.
However you want to do, you got your privacy. Now, I want you to show a little bit up there. You got your privacy back here. Once you move out this way, once you move out this way, you're not really going to have a lot of privacy. So if you do want a little privacy, you want to keep yourself you want to keep yourself under that. Because as soon as you're going to have the peoples looking at you. You want to make sure you don't got the peoples, because they're going to be looking at you, especially when you're a player from the Himalaya. But yeah, man, that is the tour for Msc with CeCe and Rilla. You see CeCe, so that means you see me, and if you see me, that means you see real. Hey, this is how we living. This is what's going on in our life right now. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And so far, if you like the video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you don't like the video, dislike, comment, share, and tell people how much you don't like it. I don't give a rat's. Either way, all energy is good energy to me. It's Rilla, and see you soon.